Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you a super quick idea of crochet lace which is made with double crochet stitch pattern. Super easy and beginner friendly to make. So for this crochet project, I am using a 4mm crochet hook size and this line brand yarn. So first of all, wrap the yarn around finger like this, pull this yarn and make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, we will make chains. So make chain 1, we will work in this chain and make chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3. These 3 chains are counted as a double crochet stitch. So now wrap the yarn around crochet hook like this, go into this 4th chain which is the very first chain and draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops. This is called double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around crochet hook again, go into the same chain, drop a loop, pull the yarn through first 2 loops, pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Then make double crochet 3 into the same chain. Now we are going to make chain 1. So make chain 1 and we are going to make 2 double crochet stitches into the same first chain again. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2. So this is our pattern. This is our first row. For the second row, we are going to work into this chain 1 space. So turn up the work and make a slip stitch into this very first stitch like this. Then a slip stitch into this second double crochet stitch like this. And now we are going to start our second row. For the second row, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Now we are going to work into this chain 1 space. In this chain 1 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3. Now make chain 1. Again into the same chain 1 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 like this. Now turn up the work again, make a slip stitch into this very first double crochet stitch, make a slip stitch into the second double crochet stitch and now make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3 and we are going to work into the chain 1 space again. Make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 1, double crochet 1, double crochet 2 into the same chain 1 space. So this is our pattern. Again I will show you the 4th row. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch, make a slip stitch into the second double crochet stitch, and then we are going to work into the chain 1 space. So make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Now into the chain 1 space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and then double crochet 3. Make chain 1 into the same chain 1 space, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. So this is the pattern. I will make few more rows so that you can see how it would look like after making few more rows. So I have made few more rows. You can see the pattern of this lace. You can use it in different crochet projects. You can use it to make bag straps as well. I personally have made some bags with different crochet lace patterns. So hope you guys like this idea of crochet beginner friendly lace pattern with modified shell stitch design. So if you like it, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, press the red subscribe button, and after that press the bell icon as well to get notifications of future uploads from this channel. So stay connected. Also share this video with other crochet lovers in your circle. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.